We're going to start with a magic ring with 6 single crochet into it. Something important that I want to say is if you at the end to close the magic ring you want to use the technique that I use, you are going to get an extra single crochet. So in total you're going to get 7 single crochet. I'm going to show you how is this possible, but yes, this magic ring has to be with 7 single crochet, but with this technique I'm gonna add an extra single crochet at the end. So that is why I'm going to do first 6 single crochet, and at the end I'm going to get 7 single crochet. Okay, now we're going to close the magic ring. So this is the technique that I use. Here in the back of your first single crochet there is like a small hole. Can you see it? So this is the hole that you are going to use to go through with your crochet hook to close this magic ring. So go through the first single crochet, grab the big loop, then go with your crochet hook through the small hole that I showed you before, grab the big loop, yarn over and go through. So now you have your magic ring done. Now this round is going to be with just increases. Now the next round is gonna be 1 single crochet, 1 increase. This is gonna be the pattern you need to make during the whole round. Remember, 1 single crochet, 1 increase. Okay, now we're going to close or join this second round using this technique that is a little different, as you can see. And this is because we are going to start with the first row of the body of this crochet basket. we are going to work through the back loop and the third back loop only. This is the back loop, and what you can see here is the third back loop only. So I'm gonna go through both with my crochet hook. Now I have 3 loops on my hook, yarn over and single crochet. I'm gonna repeat this process until to close this first round of the body of this crochet basket. Now second round is gonna be with waistcoat stitches, so you have to go through the middle of the stitch. Now we can start working on the third round of this basket, and you are going to repeat the same thing, 1 waistcoat stitch in each stitch of the previous round. Close the round, now you can see here, go with your yarn needle through this part of this stitch, and in this way you can finish the last stitch of this round. This is the process. Now you can use your tiny and cute crochet basket. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.